Every pop beat you hear on the radio today carries DNA first wired up in a Kingston yard in 1972. You think this sound came from LA hip hop studios, Berlin techno basements? No. Every chord trick that defines modern global pop was invented by dancehall sound system crews. They didn't make music in quiet studios. They built 10-foot speaker stacks out of scrap wood, stripped vocals off records mid-set, rewrote bass lines live while 300 people waited for the drop. They invented the remix, the guest feature, the exclusive dub plate, the quiet build that explodes. Every single structure every pop producer uses right now. This wasn't art school experimentation. This was survival. If your set didn't hit harder than the sound system 50 yards down the street, your crowd left and you didn't eat that week. They tested every trick live, every night, for decades. No label notes, no focus groups, just crowds. Pop didn't invent the modern beat. Dancehall built the blueprint, and everyone else just moved in.